The market rises into and over the holiday weekend, and we're all over it. This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, in our last video, we were looking for the market to bottom around 3750, then looking for a rally up towards that 4,000 region, and so far so good on that front. The market found a bottom at 3740 and then started a rally that has hit almost as high as 3860 over the weekend. Now the bulls are in a critical juncture to see if they can push this higher in a C wave. I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP500 and the NASDAQ. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, again, the power of Elliott Wave gives us great support levels that we can trade off of. We did that again last week and killed it into the weekend. We are looking for longs into this week as well. So let's jump into the chart now and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart for the S&P 500. And so far, we've gotten our B wave down that we were looking for into that 3750 region. It actually bottomed at about 3740, and we've seen this rally up out of there. But the other count that we had was that this is potentially all of wave 4 right here. So if this top was all of wave 4, we are hitting a critical juncture in this rally higher. And that is the retrace level of what we would look for as this being wave 4. So you'd have 1 of 5 down, okay, and then 2 of 5 up. Now, the reason that I still lean toward the ABC and the rally up towards 4,000 here on this first leg is that this is a pretty short wave 1, and it only points us down to the 3450 region, and I was looking for more the 32 to 3300 region for this move down in wave 5 if that was going to be the case. So it's a pretty short wave 1, but that doesn't mean it can't be a wave 1 if that was the case, because as we know, wave 3s can extend. So on this retrace of wave 2's target the 0.5 to 0.764 area for a retrace bounce, and that is the junction or the area we are in now. The 50% retrace is 3845, and we took that out and moved up to almost 3860, and we go all the way up to 3900 for the 764. So what we would look for to kind of confirm that we are in this C wave towards 4,000 is a break over this 3900 level. And then obviously we got to take out this high as well. But a move over 3,900 tells us that we are very likely to go challenge and take out this top. As we know, when the 764 breaks, that is a very good sign that the low or high on that move is going to break next. So this 3,900 is kind of the key level for the next move for the bulls. The bulls need to take it over 3,900 to keep this A wave alive and push it back over this top here at 3,950. And then they're on their way towards about the 4050 region for A equals C here. So it's pretty simple on the ES2 counts that we're tracking. As long as the bulls can keep pushing and push over this 3,900 level, then we are very confident in this C wave up towards 4050. However, if they turn down anywhere from where they are now up to 3,900 and take out this low here at 3742, or 3740, then it becomes pretty likely that we're on our way down towards this 3450 level in that wave 5 we were talking about. So we got this circle wave 4 here, and we would have circle wave 5 down here at 3453, with this being 1, this bounce being 2, and then looking for a wave 3 down. Okay, and that wave 3 should target about 3530, and then you would look for a bounce and then one more push down into that 3450 region. So 3,900 is going to be the level we watch for this bounce. If they can push it up over that, then it does become more likely we hit this A wave target at 4050, right around there, and then look for the B wave pullback into the 3790 to 3,800 region before this C wave higher up towards 4,200 or so. Over on the NASDAQ, okay, we have a very similar situation here. They have found their support and moved up. Their support was a little deeper, so the target has moved down a little bit for this A wave, down to about 12,550. And we would look for that C wave to hit 12,550 to complete this larger A wave, and then a B wave down, and then C up towards the 14,000 region. But the key number for the NASDAQ is going to be the 764 retrace at 12,048. So if the bulls can continue to push here and get it over 12,048, then it's going to be then it's much more likely that we are on our way towards this 12,550 area to complete this C wave of this A, and then we would look for the B wave down into the 11,700 region, and then C up towards that 13,700, 13,800 region to complete that ABC bounce in the bigger picture. Now, if they can't break the 1248 level and they move directly lower, okay, that's going to be an extension of this A wave down, okay, and we'd move that over to the low that we strike on that move down in the A wave, and that would be A, and then we would look for this A, B, C higher from there. So pretty cut and dry on both of them. They both have a key level. It's 3,900 on the ES. It's 1248 on the NASDAQ. If the bulls can push over those two levels, then it becomes likely we complete these A waves up of this bigger move. So you'd have an A and then a B, C. And as long as that happens, then we're looking for decent bounces in both indexes to give people a chance to exit their positions in an okay place before we see the next big move down toward the lower 3,000 area. Guys, if you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to check out investwithjacob.com, okay? There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link. It will take you right over to the website. Once you're there, check out our membership plans area. We have 2 incredible plans, and they both come with a 7-day free trial because I want you to be able to get in there, make sure you love it, make sure you enjoy it, and become part of our trading family before you ever spend a penny. We have 2 incredible rooms, and the first one is my Invest with Jacob room. In there, you get my real-time market updates, and I know some of you don't like when my video comes out and when I film it, but when you're in my room, you get the real-time market updates. On top of that, you get all of my buy and sell alerts, so you know when I enter and exit the market, and you get all of your Elliott Wave questions answered. We trade the SPY and the QQQ, and we swing trade, which means our trades can last anywhere from a few days to a few months, so we don't trade quite as often as a day trading room does. However, if you are looking for day trading as well as individual stocks, you need to check out PT's Throne Room. In there, you get everything you get in the Invest with Jacob room, as well as individual stocks, day trading, and PT's reduced risk binary method that absolutely crushes the market. You've seen in our videos guys getting 800% gains, 1,200% gains. We just had another one on Friday, another 800% winner. So it's a really cool trading method. It's very unique. You kind of have to see it to understand it, and that's why we give you that 7-day free trial. He also put $4,000 in a challenge account, and he's growing it using disciplined trading methods, trading mini ES futures, averaging 3 to 4% gains per week in there, showing you how to build a small account into a large savings or retirement account. Guys, we would love to have you in these rooms so we can make some money together. All right, guys, key takeaways for today. The key number is 3,900. If they can push up over that on the ES, then it's very likely we complete this C wave up towards 40.50. If not, then we would be looking lower towards that 34.50 area for a wave 5 down. So the bulls need to push up over 3,900. The bears need to keep it under 3,900 and break this low at 37.40. Over on the NASDAQ, same kind of situation. Their key number is 1248. If the bulls can push up over that, it's very likely we complete this C wave up towards the 12,550 area. If not, then it looks like an extension of A down towards the 10,800 to 10,600 area to extend this A wave down and then start the ABC climb higher from there. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.